Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Baking with Chef Raphael, a show that's all about making you a better home baker. Today I'm going to show you how to make oatmeal cookies. I hope you'll enjoy it. For the ingredients, we need margarine, chocolate chips, raisins, 1 egg, vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, bicarbonate of soda or baking soda. We also have sugar, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and the oats. These are the rolled oats. So we need 170 grams of margarine. You can also use butter if you have the butter. And then to this is what now I'm adding the sugar first. Now with the sugar, all I need to do is mix it into the butter. And then add 1 egg. Now to butter mixture, I'll now add the flour and the rest of the dry ingredients, cinnamon, baking soda. For the baking powder, I'm using 1/4 teaspoon. To this, I will mix the flour to the margarine mix, and at this stage, you actually use a spatula because the mixture will get hard rolled oats. That's 260 grams. And finally, we add the raisins. And the chocolate chips. Now the chocolate chips are optional. Even the raisins are optional, but they add a nice crunch or texture to the cookies. But if you don't have them, you can actually skip them. So the mixture is ready. You see it's a little bit hard. That's why I was saying it's good to have a spatula for this purpose. So what is left now is to scoop them into a baking tin. When it comes now to scooping the cookie mixture, I usually like using an ice cream scoop, but you can always use a big spoon. Now, depending on the size of your ice cream scoop, it will give you the size of the cookies that you'll have. You need to give them some space in between so that they actually spread as they cook. So at this stage, what you need to do is using the back of your either the spoon or the scoop, dip in water, and then press them just about 1 centimeter thickness. Try and make it even as possible and get the edges right. You can also use your hands to do this. So it should be about 1 centimeter thick. So there you have it. As you can see, I've left some spaces because you need to give it room. So now I'll place them into my oven. It's already hot. It's at 180 degrees. So into the oven they go. So the cookies have taken about 12 minutes to bake. How you know they are cooked is on the edges. They will actually be brown on the edges just here. And that's when you know to remove them from the oven. And on the bottom, they'll also be golden brown. But how you actually just tell is just on the sides. And what I've done here is that I have, using a flexible knife like this is a spatula, you go under the cookie and then free it, and then it will come off. They'll actually be crispy and slightly also chewy on the inside because of the oats. And then you can see the chocolates and the raisins, and they'll actually make a good snack. It's a healthy snack, I would say, because of the oat and less of the flour. And I hope this is something you've learned today. I've been your host, Chef Raphael. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you're notified every time I have a new recipe out. I have a cooking show and I have a baking show and also other videos on my channel that you can watch if you're first time joining the channel. So until next time, goodbye.